Hi, this is Harish here, back with the Prediction 360. The third match of Indian Premier League 2020 will be played between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Royal Challengers Bangalore at the Dubai International Cricket Stadium. Both teams have an amazing rivalry and is one of the most sought after one-on-one IPL clashes, maybe after MI and CSK. RCB has tried to fill in their problematic areas with few picks this auction, and SRH is not likely to tweak too much with their playing level. But let's get on with the Prediction 360, and our first segment is Professor V's Tip of the Day.
Today's Simply Chuma tip is always go with your guts. You can't predict who's going to be a standout performer in a match all the time. If your gut tells you to go with a particular player, contradicting many of the prediction channels, please go for it. A lot of times we end up feeling miserable for not acting on our intuition. At least you will feel better for going with your guts than ignoring it and still losing.
Know the numbers. Let's first look at the one-on-one history between these two teams. SRH and RCB don't have much to choose from when it comes to one-on-one clashes. SRH does lead by winning 8 and RCB has won 6. So not much to choose a favorite. SRH does start strong usually when compared to RCB. Ground-wise, Dubai International Cricket Stadium favor the team batting first. It is quite difficult to chase down huge targets batting second, but as we saw yesterday's match, the dew factor does come into play and is much more favorable to spinners. So try to alter the 11 after the toss and do check out how the pitch is behaving in the Punjab and Delhi encounter. Johnny Bairstow has a highest individual score against RCB of 114, and the second highest being 100 scored by David Warner. So just think about that. And Bhuvaneshwar Kumar is the leading wicket taker with 14 wickets when these two teams have played against each other. Mohammad Nabi has the best bowling figure against RCB, 4 for 11. And SRH will face some dilemma as to who to pick. If Nabi, Rashid, Bairstow and Warner play, then Kane Williamson should sit. So if Kane Williamson might think of sitting the first match, or maybe sit out Warner, who has had a pretty lackluster England series. This is like Sophie's choice. So wait for the toss and change the 11 accordingly. So Simply Chuma's prediction, who we think will win the match. This is evenly stacked up teams, and they do cherish the competition. So just on paper, with Bairstow and Warner getting some international games under their belt, we think that maybe SRH will win the match. Nabi's stint in CPL will also help the cause, right? Yeah, but again, if King Kohli and ABD comes to the party, then no target is big enough. So the problem with both these teams' picks will be the lack of credits. So choosing one will mean losing some of the big players. So let's check with the 11. If you have ABD, Kohli and Warner, then you won't have enough points to select the rest of the team. So you have to do some hard choices. Simply Chuma's predicted 11 will be based on the credit points that is available. So we have selected Bairstow, Parthu Patel, Kohli, Warner or Williamson, so whoever is playing, Devdutt Padikkal, Moeen Ali. We have gone with Mohammad Nabi, Chris Morris, and we have selected Chahal, Rashid Khan, and then a fast bowler. We are going with either Sandeep Sharma or Khalil Ahmed because of the lack of credits. We have selected 6 Bangalore players and 5 SRH players, and in Dream 11 this finishes the exact number of credits that are available. So that is the problem, and that is why the 11. So we have selected Bairstow as our vice captain, and we have picked Virat Kohli as our captain. And today's wacky prediction, we have left out ABD, and this 11 is based on our prediction that SRH will win. But if you believe that it's going to be RCB victory, visualize how they are going to win, how big the victory will be, and then choose the 11 accordingly. Maybe with a 7:4 ratio between RCB players to SRH. But as we say, wacky suggestions can work sometimes, but proper research most of the time comes in handy. So let's go back to Professor Reeves, what the expert have to say.
In order to help you make an informed decision, we have compiled some of the suggestions of a few experts. Make sure to check them out before you create your Fantasy 11. For a better understanding of their analysis, check out the links in the description below.
As we say, we are just helping you to predict. We are not astrologists, we don't know everything, and hope you can make a much more informed decision now. We have seen how Abu Dhabi pitch is performing. It is low and there is a view factor. Um, so, but we still don't know how the Dubai pitch will be. So let's wait for the Punjab and Delhi match, see how it goes, and then you can select your 11 accordingly. All the very best.